This first poem is called The Sledgehammer. It's based on a incident, a recollection I had when I was a young boy with my dad. The Sledgehammer. The August humidity hangs in the dusk as my father and I amble side by side from the chores toward the house. Barn swallows swoop, dive above us. The evening sky a purple bluish wash. Yellow kitchen light drenches my mother, who leans over the sink's faucet. I hold my father's calloused hand, feel his rugged arm sway with each step. He smells of hay dust and manure. Just then the lights of a Studebaker swerve into the driveway, come to a dead stop, kicking up whiffs of gravel above the front tires, motor purring. My father halts, turns to the car, stands facing the light columns. His face is stone. He's as still as the time of day, quiet in the oncoming darkness. Everything dims except gnats squiggling on the headlights. The driver's door swings wide open. The guy barks, "Hey, Cappy, got a bet going. I told him down at Driscoll's you'd do it." The guy stands behind the open door. 3 men like test dummies sit in the car. My father's right hand is a fist. His silence tightens my stomach. I want to run inside, but I'm held put. "Just this once," my father says, "and you do not come up on the property again." The sledgehammer leans near the bridal wreath, his gift to his wife when he bought the land. He reaches for it. I try to pull away, but he tightens his grip. We walk toward the headlights. The night drops down, low and heavy. Peepers break the stillness. My father, silhouetted by the light columns, breathes deep. He lifts the hammer straight up, 90 degrees in his outstretched arm. His wrist slowly lowers the hammer's head to his nose, then raises it back up again. He eases the hammer down to his side. He stands rooted to the earth like Antaeus. Sweat soaks the back of his faded work shirt. His stare shrinks the man back into the car. The fear in me, now deep as the night, tenses as the man in the driver's seat slurs, I told you, gotta pay up." Laughter spills from the bullying car as it fishtails away in the remnant stillness. My father's eyes look out toward the road for an instant, then he turns, still holding my hand, toward the house. I know not to ask any questions, to say nothing, to follow along as always for so many years whenever something out of nowhere happens, whenever chance throws the ordinary out of kilter. He drops my hand, breathes deep, tightens his stance, his faraway gaze toward the pastures dark like some rogue sentinel, wary, alone.